Hey, my name is Kate. And no, I don't have like pencils or stencils or paintbrushes in here. These are the amazing storage units for SK Professional Tools. So if you're looking at buying sets of new tools, this is the way to go. They stay secured with Velcro. I love that the measurements, the sizes are right on here. Each tool has its own pocket. And when you are done, you roll it up and Velcro it closed. There is no better way. No more tools clanking and rolling around in the back of your car or in the bottom of a box where you cannot find the one you need. Here's a set of the pliers, the wrench pliers. Love these. These are so heavy duty. And again, even though I'm carrying some heavy duty tools, I don't have to be lugging around a giant toolbox. I can just grab what I need, take it with me, and this keeps them nice and organized in the toolbox, in a box, in the back of my car, so that I'm not wasting time on my projects hunting down a random tool that I tossed into the bin. So if you're looking to upgrade your workshop and you're looking for some great organization that doesn't take up a ton of space, check out SK Professional Tools. Oh, flip it around. They have really figured out how to make this easy, accessible, and keep it organized.